Hey Lainey loves, in today's video I've got two unboxings for you guys featuring Louis Vuitton and Chanel. There's going to be lots of TBE or tiny bag energy, so if you'd like to see what's in these pretty boxes, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Elaine, for those of you that are new here, and to all my subscribed Lainey loves, welcome back. So like I said, in today's video, I've got two unboxings. I'm not gonna lie, this is not a true unboxing. I have opened up these boxes and I've actually used this one already. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one. This is from Louis Vuitton. I have been looking for this bag for a very long time, but it's literally always sold out. So when I saw this one, I was hoping to get a color, but I ended up with this one because this is what they had, and I figured it would work best, I guess, for my closet. So, hint, hint. I believe this did have ribbon on it at some point, but yeah, so let me just go ahead and open it. Like I said, TBE in this video, so that should already tell you that this is going to be a small bag. And let's just put the box right there. Okay, so quick story time for this bag. When I went into the store, I just asked if they have the mini size of this kind of bag, and she was like, no, we usually don't get those in, and even if we do, they're like gone by the end of the day. So she started showing me the BB size, which I didn't want. It's too big for me. I was specifically looking for the mini size. So she actually went and asked the manager if he knew whether they'd be getting any more in. And he was like, actually, we just got one in today. Like, she didn't even know that they had it in the store. So there was a different couple looking at this bag, and she just walked over to them and asked if they don't mind if we could see it. And as soon as she brought it over, I was like, yeah, go ahead and put that aside, because I didn't know when the next opportunity would be that I'd be able to get this bag. So I ended up getting this beautiful Capucines bag. This is the mini Capucines bag. I got it in black with gold hardware, but isn't she absolutely adorable? I am in love with this bag, but like I said, I have been looking for, they come in really pretty colors. I've seen like a really pretty red color, and then some of the more popular ones are the ones that have the python handles and the python detail on the LV logo. But I thought she was cute. And on top of that, she'll probably go with literally anything in my closet. So I just decided to go ahead and take it. So the flap comes up like that, and you can cover this up, I believe. So you can wear it like that if you'd like, but I kind of like the look of it tucked in. Now this does come with a strap, which is on the inside of the bag. The outside of the bag is made with cowhide leather, and then the inside of the bag is made with calf leather. And it comes with this strap. Let me just show you real quick. It comes with this strap, which is kind of like a guitar style strap. It's a little thick for me. I'm not a big fan of this type of strap, especially on a small bag like this one. So I'm probably gonna end up using my Samorga Crossbody chain, and I'll show you that in a little bit. But that is a strap that it comes with. So of course it's got the top handles, so you can rock it as a top handle, but with the strap on, you can definitely do it as a crossbody. Okay, so really quick, a quick tour of the bag. This is what the inside looks like. I don't know if you'll be able to see it because the top handle does not move, but it's got two compartments, one back there and one over here. And then it does have a pocket back there. And on this other side, it's got like a little strap that you're supposed to be able to tuck in the flap with, so you can close it like that, which, like I said, is how I plan on wearing the bag. So there's that. And then on the inside, it just says Louis Vuitton, made in France. So I think this bag is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it is so well made. Oh, and I forgot to mention that the bottom does have 4 feet. So at least with this bag, you don't have to worry about the bottom touching any rough surfaces or getting scratched, because it's got the feet to protect it. But Isn't she just a lovely little bag? I'm gonna go ahead and do a what fits in my bag for both of these items today. But that'll be at the end of the video, just so you guys can have some reference of how much can fit in this bag. But that is the first one, the LV Mini Capucines in black leather. So here is what the bag looks like on. I put on the strap that it came with, so you can kind of get an idea of what that looks like as it is sold to you. It is the perfect length for a crossbody bag, and it's super cute. Even with the top handle, it doesn't dig into your side or anything. It sits very well, so it's super cute. And if you wanted to wear it as a shoulder bag, you could just do that. It's nice and simple. Or you could take off the strap and wear it as a top handle. I'll go ahead and show you guys how I plan on wearing it crossbody. Like I said, I don't like the guitar strap because it's too thick. I don't like that style. So let me get the Samorga chain real quick, and then I'll show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so this is what the Samorga chain looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. It does come in silver hardware as well, but I picked the gold because most of my bags have champagne gold or gold hardware. But look at these clasps. It's got really substantial clasps. It's a very well made and just absolutely gorgeous. So you can put this on any bag, and I literally wear this with most of my bags because for some reason they tend to come with that guitar style strap, which is this style right here. And like I said, I don't like that. So this is perfect, absolutely perfect. This can also dress up any bag just because look how gorgeous that gold is. But I do plan on getting the silver one as well, just to dress down some of my bags when I need to. But yeah, so I will put the link for this crossbody chain from Samorga down below in case you guys are interested. But let me go ahead and show you what it looks like on. Okay, so this is what it looks like as a crossbody bag with the Samorga chain on. I don't mind that it's more yellow gold on the chain compared to the champagne gold on the bag. I still think it looks absolutely gorgeous. It does feel a little bit more dressy, but that's kind of my style anyways, so I don't mind. I would literally wear it like this even with a casual outfit. But I just think it is just so much better than the guitar strap that it came with. So that is what it looks like. Super cute. I think the jeweled style chains just give a bag so much more class. Maybe it's just me, I don't know, but that is my preference, so that is what we're going with. Even with the chain on the sides of the bag and wearing it as a top handle, it's still such a vibe. I love this chain so much. But yeah, there we go. What do you think? Okay, so this next item is from Chanel. I'm very surprised that I actually went for this bag, but I will say, as small as it is, I actually saw somebody do a review on this particular bag. Not the same color, but the exact same style. And I was really surprised at the functionality of this bag. Like, as little as it is, it fits basically everything that I would want to carry on me, especially if I'm alone or if I'm going into a crowded space. So when I saw that this became available, I was like, okay, let me go ahead and go for it. For the functionality of this bag, I think that the price is really, really good. This is one of the few bags from Chanel that actually are still decently priced. So like I said, I did already open this, so it's not wrapped as beautifully as it was, but look how tiny this is. I got this beautiful tiny little baby. Oh my god, she's so adorable. Here it is. This is from the 22P collection, so it's the one that's currently in boutiques in this beautiful navy color. and it's got champagne gold hardware. They call this a clutch on chain. I feel like they name all their bags a clutch on chain if it's not a classic style. But yes, this is the clutch on chain in a beautiful navy blue. Like I said, champagne gold hardware. It's got the cutest top handle, absolutely adorable. And the chain is absolutely gorgeous. I love how long they made this chain. I feel like their classic flap chains are super short, so I can't even wear them crossbody. This, I can wear crossbody. So it is a flap open, and it does come with a mirror on the inside, so you can check yourself out, okay, when you're out and about. And then on the inside, it says 22P clutch with chain. Let me put that aside. And on the inside of the bag, you'll see there are, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 card slots. So you don't need to put a card holder in here. So you've got all this extra space. It's just one big compartment. This does come with the authenticity card, but like I said, you'll be surprised how much can fit in here. And I will show you, like I said, at the end of the video. But isn't this just the cutest accessory? Ugh, I'm in love. I'm in love with this bag. And I've seen this in a beautiful pink color, like the 22P light pink is absolutely gorgeous. But I decided to go with this just because I already have pink in my collection, so I did not have a navy blue, so this is gonna be it. But yeah, that is the little mini Chanel clutch on chain. All right guys, so this is what it looks like on. I just wanted to show you with a nice casual outfit. It is literally the perfect crossbody bag. I love the size, I love how small it is, and you can kind of wear it towards the front if you want to, or you can throw it over to the side, but it literally sits at the perfect spot, well, at least for me. For reference, I am 5'7", so this is where it falls. If you're shorter, it might be a little bit lower, but even then, it still works as the perfect crossbody bag. For reference, this is what it's like as a shoulder bag. It's a little bit long for me, but I mean, it'll still work if you want to wear it that way. But like I said, for me, this is gonna be my designated quick grab and go crossbody bag. So there it is. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a what fits in my bag portion. I do believe the mini pochette should fit in there. I'm gonna try and get it into that back pocket. It's a snug fit, but there we go. That is in. And inside the pochette, I would put all my makeup stuff, the lip glosses, all that good stuff. And then we still have a little bit of room, but I'm gonna leave it alone for now and try and see what I can get in this front compartment. So, card holder goes in no problem. I've got a lotion that goes in no problem. I've got my compact powder, and that is in. And then I've got my little travel spray from House of Sillage, and that is in there. AirPods, I'm gonna squeeze that in there as well. And a mint. Just gonna throw that in there. And a mask should fit right across the top, but there we go, it's completely full. And we're gonna go ahead and close it. And voila. There's not too much bulking. The sides aren't sticking out at all, so that is a perfect fit. And that's a lot that's in there. Another look inside, and yeah, I mean, Obviously, you can swap out anything for whatever else you think you might need, but this is literally everything I'd need. And it fits just fine. So for a mini bag, that is so super cute, just adorable. I think you get your money's worth from this bag. But there you go. Okay, so real quick, guys, I wanted to show you what fits in the tiny little bag. These are what I would consider essentials. Like, I cannot leave the house without these things. So it does have the 4 card slots, so I'm just going to use these. Obviously, you can fit 2 cards per slot if you wanted to. They'd fit comfortably, so you can put cards in there. And then you've got more room on this side as well. Okay, so right now we've got 4 cards, or 5 cards, including the authenticity card that's in there. And then cannot do without my compact powder. Your girl's got oily skin, so that goes in there just fine. And then lip color or lip balm will go in there just fine. And then eye drops, can't live without those. That goes in just fine. And then we've got a key fob, which will go in there no problem. So you still have a bit of room here. You can probably fit another lipstick or lip color, lip gloss, whatever you need. I'm gonna go ahead and put in another lip color. And there you go. Now it's completely full. I mean, if you wanted to, you could probably lay a mask across the top there, but let's go ahead and close it. And voila. The sides are poking out a little bit, but it's not terrible. And as soon as you get home, you can just clear the bag out so there's no indentations in the bag. But yeah, that is quite a bit that can fit in there. You could always swap out a compact powder if you don't need that and put in AirPods, but these are my essentials. These are what I would consider essentials, so that is perfect. So there you go. That is what fits in this beautiful clutch on chain. All right, that is all that I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. As usual, you guys know what to do. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you do decide to subscribe, then go ahead and hit the notification bell so you're alerted anytime I upload a new video. And as always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps me out. And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all your support. And until the next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.